Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English podcast. My name is Emma.
Hi everyone, I'm Liam. Nice to be here again.
Today, we're going to talk about a very common topic.
Yes, a topic we talk about every day.
That's right. Today's topic is weather.
Weather is easy, but also very useful.
Exactly. We talk about weather with friends, family, and even strangers.
So this is a great topic for English learners.
Yes, and we will use simple English, slow English, easy sentences. Liam, let me ask you a question.
Sure.
What is the weather like today?
Today the weather is sunny.
Very good. It is sunny.
The sky is blue, the sun is bright.
Great description. Sunny weather is nice.
Yes, I feel happy when it is sunny.
Many people feel that way. Let's talk about some basic weather words.
Okay.
Sunny,
Sunny,
cloudy,
cloudy,
rainy,
rainy,
windy,
windy,
snowy.
snowy.
Very good. These are common weather words.
How can I describe the day in a full sentence, Emma?
Good question. You can say, it is sunny today.
It is sunny today.
Or, the weather is cloudy.
The weather is cloudy.
Very good. You can also add how you feel.
How do I do that?
You can say, it is rainy and I feel tired.
Oh, I like that.
Now let's talk about rain.
I don't like rain very much
Why not?
because it makes me wet
That's true.
and the sky is dark.
Yes, rainy days are often dark and gray.
How do we describe rain?
You can say, it is raining.
It is raining.
Or, it is rainy today.
It is rainy today.
What about windy weather?
When it is windy, the air moves fast.
That's right.
Trees move, hair moves.
Yes, you can say, it is windy.
It is windy.
Windy days can be cold.
I need a jacket.
Let's talk about cold weather.
Cold weather is my favorite.
Really?
Yes, I like winter.
So you like snow?
Yes, snow is beautiful.
Snowy weather is cold.
Very cold.
You can say, it is cold today.
It is cold today.
What about hot weather?
Hot weather makes me tired.
Many people feel that way.
I sweat a lot.
Yes, you can say, it is hot.
It is hot.
Or, it is very hot today.
It is very hot today.
Now let's talk about temperature.
Temperature means how hot or cold it is.
Correct. We can say, it is warm.
Yes.
Or, it is cool.
Good. Warm is not too hot.
And cool is not too cold. Weather affects our daily life.
Yes, a lot.
For example, what do you do on sunny days?
I go outside.
To do what?
I walk, I run, I meet friends.
Very good. What about rainy days?
I stay at home.
And what do you do at home?
I watch TV, I read books.
That sounds nice. Weather also changes our clothes.
Yes,
What do you wear on hot days?
I wear a t-shirt.
And shorts?
Yes, shorts too.
What about cold days?
I wear a jacket.
A coat?
Yes, and a scarf.
Weather is different in different places.
That's true.
Some places are hot all year.
Some places are cold all year.
Yes. For example, the desert is hot.
And the mountains are cold.
Weather is great for small talk.
Small talk.
Yes, short, friendly talk.
Like with a stranger?
Exactly. What can I say? You can say, nice weather today.
Nice weather today.
Or, it's very hot today.
It's very hot today.
Now let's practice.
Okay,
I will say a word, you make a sentence.
I will try.
Sunny.
It is sunny today.
Great. Rainy.
It is rainy today.
Very good. Weather can change our feelings.
Yes.
Sunny weather makes people happy.
Rainy weather makes people calm.
Or sleepy.
Yes, sleepy.
Let's review today's lesson.
Okay.
We talked about weather words.
Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy.
We talked about hot and cold.
Warm and cool.
We talked about clothes and activities.
Yes.
Thank you for listening.